The X80K is your starting point in Sony's 2022 4K HDR lineup, but don't confuse starting point with entry level. The X80K is a powerhouse of Sony technology as it is filled with premium features. Hi, I'm Jackie from Sony. Stick around and I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the X80K. The X80K and its powerful 4K HDR Processor X1 gives you enhanced picture quality full of rich colors and detailed contrast. You will see more detail in every scene and enjoy movies just as the creator intended. 4K X Reality Pro upscales your content, giving you close to 4K resolution. Because of its processing power and software combination, everything you watch is going to look better, even if it's from a less than desirable source. With Sony's TRILUMINOS Pro, the X80K reproduces more than 1 billion colors, which results in a picture quality that is natural and accurate to the creator's intent. TRILUMINOS Pro gives its viewers a wider color range and supports the color necessary for premium HDR, including Dolby Vision. The X80K also supports Dolby Atmos audio, giving you the feeling that you're surrounded by audio and you're right there in the scene. With the X80K, you'll be ready for movie night. The Sony X80K also supports compatibility with the new Bravia Cam. This is a unique add-on that will be available in select models in Sony's 2022 lineup. You can video chat with your family and friends, you can even use gesture control without a remote, and you can even save a bit on your energy bill with its dimming features. The X80K will come in 6 different screen sizes: 43 inches, 50, 55, 65, 75, and 85 inches. The new X80K features an immersive, flush surface design and narrow bezel, which gives it a more modern and sleek aesthetic. This is a noticeable improvement from our previous X80 TVs. Finally, Sony gives you entertainment you love with a little help from Google. Google TV allows you to watch over 700,000 different movies and episodes. Google TV makes finding your content even easier, as it organizes all of your apps and subscriptions on your homepage based on your preferences. The X80K features the Google Assistant, so finding new content is just a single button away with our newly designed remote. The X80K is an exceptional TV that has many premium features, making it a perfect addition to anyone's home. Thank you for watching.